been about a week since I've done the floor. Okay, it's been about a week since I started this. Week and a half maybe. It's been like 4 days of me doing the floor. And this is me coming down here like every day for like 5 to 6 hours a day. And this is how much we got done. Okay, so I gotta get this done right here. Gotta move all this so I can get this floor. I think the worst problem is not moving everything out of the room all at once, because I always have to shuffle back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and that's the problem. So we gotta remove those doors, do the floor, but that's how it's looking right now. So I'm just trying to do one thing at a time, and also like have enough room to walk over the tile so we could like use the basement still for laundry and stuff. So I'm gonna start this area behind me right here. Then clean up this area right here. Then I'm gonna do the hallway. We got like 4 hours until I call it a night. So let's get started. Okay, these are my worst cuts. This is the worst thing I hate. Leave a little bit of like a quarter right there, like that.
Waking in silence, the light in my eyes, barely surviving. It's making me feel I'm alone on this island, lost in the labyrinth. It's weighing me down, and all of the sirens are waiting forever. They drive me insane. No way. Every time I take a step, I get closer to the edge. But today, I don't care. I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. It's time that I figured it out now, that I never run out of love. That every moment gonna be magic, and it feels so electric. And I just can't help waking up with all I've ever wanted. This feeling got me low. Stay with me forever and drive me insane. 'Cause today, I don't care, I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, and just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be. I can stay for the rest of my life, my life. I could stay for the rest of my life, my life. I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh, just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, and just know I'll never leave.
Okay, I started grouting and it went left. It went left. It went so left. It went so left, it made a U-turn.